Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to backup Line data from your iOS or Android device. Line is a popular messaging app that allows you to send messages, make calls, and share media with your friends and loved ones. It's an essential part of many people's daily lives, and that's why it's important to make sure your Line data is backed up. There are a few different ways to backup your Line data, but today we'll be introducing you to iTransor for Line, a powerful tool that makes it easy to backup and restore your Line data on both iOS and Android devices. Before we get started, it's important to note that you'll need to have iTransor for Line installed on your computer in order to follow along with this tutorial. You can download iTransor for Line from the official website, which we'll provide in the description below. Now let's get started with the tutorial. To begin, open iTransor for Line on your computer and connect your iOS or Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Next, select the backup option from the main menu. You will be presented with a list of data types that you can choose to backup. These include messages, contacts, call logs, and media files such as photos and videos. Select the data types that you want to include in the backup and then click Next. iTransor for Line will then begin to backup your Line data. This process may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data you are backing up. Once the backup is complete, you will see a notification indicating that the process is finished. You can then view the backup by clicking on the View Backup button. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to use iTransor for Line to backup your Line data on iOS and Android devices. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the iMyFone team for support.